Hi everyone, today we are going to start heading west and going out towards Monument Valley, Utah. In this video we're going to show you some sights along the way and talk to you a little bit about our adventure coming, and can't wait, so sit back and enjoy the video.
He's scootering across the USA from near and far and day to day. He's scootering across the USA. He shows you the accessible way. He's the accessible traveler. The accessible traveler. He's the accessible traveler. He travels the accessible way. He's the accessible traveler.
Don't forget to subscribe. Well, now it's time for us to leave the Big Texan Steakhouse in Amarillo, Texas, and head on up to our destination for tonight, Monument Valley, Utah. We're staying in the KOA at Monument Valley, which I hear the views are spectacular. Maybe we can get some drone footage.